Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
If you're outside, maybe doing some Christmas shopping at lunchtime, you probably noticed those wind chills were brutal. So here's a weather graphic to warm you up. We have some milder weather on the way this week. Now, we also have some rain to end the week, and at this point, a white Christmas seems very unlikely. There could be a few flurries on Christmas Eve day. It doesn't look like that has much to it. We'll keep you updated on that situation, obviously, and on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, tracking a few showers here in upstate New York, but nothing much doing here in southern New England. Gorgeous view here of the Newport Bridge, and also a nice scene here in Narragansett with good visibility. Temperatures in the mid-20s right now in Smithfield, 31 in Taunton, 30 Newport, 32 Westerly, and 30 on Block Island. But of course, it's all about the wind. Wind right now between about 10 and 20 miles an hour from the northwest, 12 miles an hour in Smithfield, 12 in Providence, 14 in Newport, and 15 from the northwest on Block Island. And even though these gusts are not as strong as they were earlier today, they are still out there. 22 miles an hour from the northwest in Smithfield right now, and 18 in Westerly. Gradually, these winds will diminish overnight into early tomorrow. Now, the reason we did see those gusty winds today is we have the wind machine in effect. What I mean is high pressure to the west, low pressure to the northeast, and that funnels those winds right in between to southern New England. So tomorrow is a different story. Temperatures a little warmer, and the lack of wind will make it feel much more comfortable. Now, it's a chilly start in the morning, low to mid-20s, but by noontime or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we should get you to right around 40 degrees, and then 39 by around 5 p.m. Along the south coast, temperatures also in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, 38 Narragansett, 38 Charlestown, around 37 Hope Valley. But again, here's the key difference. Instead of gusts 20 to 35, 40 miles an hour, we have winds out of the west at 5 to 10. Much better. Upper 30s to around 40 degrees here in northern Rhode Island, 38 in Woonsocket, 37 Johnston, and 37 in Scituate. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, 38 in Seekonk, and 37 in Fall River. Let's fast forward now to Thursday night. So here's our next rainmaker, and you can see late Thursday night into Friday morning, a lot of moisture comes our way. So rain will fall heavy at times. Temperatures will warm up. I think by Friday, we're talking about highs potentially in the mid to upper 50s. Some gusty winds are also possible. Could get some gusts between 30, even 50 miles an hour. In fact, as we look at the 7-day forecast, you can see a gradual increase in those temperatures, 40 tomorrow, 49 Thursday. But then here we go with Friday. Now, I should point out, in addition to the strong winds, there is the potential of some localized street flooding, maybe even a little bit of river flooding, as potentially 1 to 3 inches of rain could fall. And obviously, these amounts can change around as we look at more data, and we'll keep you updated as more data comes in this week. Now, this weekend looks okay. Saturday morning could have some early morning showers. Most of the day kind of cloudy, but not too bad. Highs in the low 50s, fairly breezy in the morning. Then on Sunday, 44 degrees, mostly sunny skies. And if you're heading to the Pats game, actually not too bad for an afternoon in December, right? Tailgaters will have temperatures in the upper 30s. By 1 p.m. around 43 degrees at kickoff, and temperatures for the walk back to the car likely back into the low 30s, or low 40s, I should say, and upper 30s. And then Christmas Eve, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, a slight chance of a flurry or two, but doesn't look like much at this point, and it looks like a relatively dry and quiet Christmas with high temperatures in the upper 30s with mostly sunny skies. But again, if you're really looking for that warm up today or tomorrow, will be a little bit better than what we had today.
I wish I had decided to do my errands tomorrow, because yes, it was brutal, even just the parking lot walk today.
Well, maybe you have a few more to do that you can add on tomorrow.
Yeah, I always have something to do.
I'm sure you do.
Pete, thanks. Yep. More coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News Live at 5. Caught on camera.